Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, it's me your FlyLady Kat, and today we're having our Patreon in review. We had 4 videos for the week of Christmas, and these are what we talked about. We talked about one that's called Relax and Stay Focused. That's a little hard for some people, so we talked about that. How are you going to do that? What does it take to do that? The second video we did was a new affirmation for the new year. A new affirmation for the new year. The third one we had was called Plan It. That's a really good one. Plan It. You know I love to plan it. And then the last one is called The Longest Yard. And that's about finishing what you start. Okay, this is a quick little video, but it's just meant for you to know what's going on in Patreon. Have a wonderful day. If you decide that you want to come to Patreon, please feel free to do so. It's $5 a month. I love the Patreon channel. There are no advertisements, and I feel like I can, if you ask me if you're one of my Patreons for a specific video, I'll do my best to make that video for you. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.